The smart and easy way to do your laundry. Samsung Top-Load Washing Machine. It features stylish design, magic filter, waterfall and air turbo. Its stylish design with enhanced round edges is complemented by the diamond drum, which ensures damage-free wash, and an intuitive LED control panel, which is easier to see and safer to use. To keep your laundry perfectly lint-free and cleaner, the magic filter is positioned low in the washer. Unlike the ones in conventional washers, it traps lint effectively, no matter the water level. It's easy to clean by simply detaching and dusting. Waterfall provides powerful water spray falls for a thorough rinse. It distributes water and detergent evenly for a perfect cleanse. The air turbo drying system allows air to be drawn in through dual vents, creating a whirlwind of drying power. It spins hard and fast, so you can save your time and dries excess moisture by circulating air. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Top-Load Washing Machine Lite.